Patience in the dark, I don't chase the mood. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, charge second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored. As your princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer's peace, then I begin. One good entry can change the night. Faith over hype keeps the trade right. Highly favored, highly favored. God first, charge second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the...
Yeah, man. How y'all doing? Welcome, welcome. I'm Calvin. How's it going? Blessings all. We are going to be playing by the seat of our pants tonight a little bit. We're working remote here, so some of the technology is catching up to us. But hope y'all did well today. Yeah, double remote. So I'm going to kind of review some things today that I saw, I took, but I was watching. My orb strategy is to take on a 5-minute candle below, stop loss above the high, and hold for 50%. Once that one takes, I put break even, and it never came back up to me and came down. I mean, it took forever to come down and hit the second one. So only one trade taken on this account here today, on my bot account. My other account through Wealth Charts, I was working zone to zone, and I'll show some of the trades later, but had a little over $2,800 today between these accounts. So it worked out pretty well. But yeah, it kept riding. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart here. It's on its downtrend, so every time I hit this, I was taking it short. So I just kept cycling accounts, came down, 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 down. My next trade that I'll be looking for tonight, kind of the big move that I want to see, is to retest the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We are breaking these lows down here for liquidity, but I would like to see it come back up into this bottom of this wick candle is 29,171. That's going to probably be my short of the night. After I see these lows get taken out, I'll run a fib to see where we are. If the other zone I'm looking for testing is right here at the 29,397 off this wick here. You can see how a lot of confuddled in that little area there. So that's 15-minute chart. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit and see what we're looking at on the 1 minute. Brick, do we got you on yet, or? Yeah, Miss K, Trade of 8 is down. I've been hearing people talk about it. Wealth Charts is not right now, so if you want to play around with Wealth Charts or Trade C, you can also jump over there. I also like trading on Quant Tower, which is rhythmic. I hear you, Brick. I'm listening to Brick in the background. He's trying to get streamed into YouTube right now, so bear with him. But how'd you all do today? Any did you guys survive the day or play it out, or how'd you all do? Hey, I see him. Let's hear your Brick. You got your audio in there too?
Nothing yet. It'll get there. Trying to move. Yo, this is so stupid. So stupid. This is frustrating me. I don't know why when I'm piping
Hey,
everything
Brick, you're
out.
in YouTube.
Oh, let's go.
Can you, can you all hear Brick? What's up,
What's
Blue?
going
Anybody?
on, everybody? My God. Listen, I am
Oh no,
working.
Blue. What you do?
Let me go play back speed and speed up. I'm working with desktop to, which is like 5 feet away, but my daughter is in.
And I think
Wait,
we
I
lost
hear
Brick.
some noise. And I hear it laggy. It's like laggy. Yeah, the YouTube stream is laggy for some reason.
And Blue, were you
This is frustrating.
oversizing on those accounts, or what'd you do to lose them? Copy trading?
What's up, Blue Nitty? Like and oh, it's my wife's cousin. What up, Nitty? Yo, like and subscribe. I know we're laggy, but like and subscribe. I don't care. Let me see. I'm just testing stuff over here. This market is just going down, guys. That's all this market is doing.
We're eventually gonna get down to my little box down here. I'm waiting
And I
for it
think I
to.
got to speak it. I got to put this other headset in. I think that.
Oof. Yeah, that definitely adds up quick. I feel you on that. We do have a big liquidity. Why Brick's trying to get the back end figured out here. We do have a big liquidity area. The market always fills gaps. It has tapped it, but hasn't filled it down at 28, 230s, 240s, down to close at 28, 120. Let's look at Ocala's 120 there for a pump. But it might be kind of crazy. Trump's coming on here in about 45 minutes, and he may say some things to drop this down and hit this, and then we can bounce back up.
Now, Savage, I don't know if you remember the other day when I was with Luna.
Yeah.
And I was telling Luna about the QQQ gap that we had to the down.
Yeah.
Outside. I need to go check that because, bro, if you and I can't get this What?
We're gonna look at the Q charts. This has a little bit more of a opening here.
God.
The market closes and opens up down.
Yeah, see, it's great. I'm gonna have to pull. I don't even know if I'm sharing
Are you
charts.
looking
Let me
around
see.
at,
Can you guys see my
687?
chart? Yep. Looking at there, yeah, there's a gap to the downside right there.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's exactly
Yeah,
where mine sits
right
on
there.
the NASDAQ. Because we're coming down, capped off, and bounced up. And this is the gap that I'm looking to get filled right here. So this is on the Q 686.50 and 681.84 basically. I wonder.
Refresh. Bro, this thing is tanking. Make sure we got a little bit of background music. Yep, there's some music there. Let me bring that up a bit. Laptop that's having all these issues because it's got pending updates.
This falls right into my zone, kind of like what I like to see. I mean, it's a big push down.
Would it be fun?
To see
The
it.
tank?
Yeah, when did you see this? Remember how I was showing you my A+ setup is a big retracement into a fair value gap.
Bring down that box.
Wrong. Good. There you go.
And Trump comes in 15 minutes? No, 45. 45 minutes.
You work out, if you can see my charts.
About to go grab a different computer. Yep,
Yeah,
I can see your charts.
So what I'm looking at here is from this low to the high. If we can get a pullback down to here, it's below the 50%, almost at 61.8. And here's a zone right here where there's a lot of, at the time, there's a lot of sellers and we busted through them. So this will create a new support here. And I gotta look at NASDAQ to see, this is really choppy in here. It really doesn't define my fair value gap or liquidity through the bust of this. But that'd be a sweet spot to take a super long. I'm gonna actually look at NASDAQ.
What kind of long? A super long?
Super, like deep contracts out for 6 months.
Oh, I like that. The option side.
Yeah, now I took, and I posted into the channel earlier today, is I saw this and the dump right at 350. I took a option spread for a long position right here at the bottom, and I closed it. It's somewhere right before 4 o'clock, so it's 58. So I closed about right here. It was 35% gain on that position. So from the 100% back up to the 50% on the MOC. So it's a fun move. And then I'm gonna swing back down to the daily and look at that and see where we're. I gotta clean up my chart a little bit. Don't mind me.
No, you're good. I'm gonna see if I can bring up my chart. Hopefully people are hearing me. I don't know who's hearing me, who's not.
Hey Blue, is that music still too loud?
Go here.
I think you dialed it down a little bit.
I brought the music down.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you guys able to hear me on YouTube? Can you hear me, Savage?
I can.
Yeah, I can hear myself. Let me bring it down just a little bit more. Savage, are you able to hear me
Yes. Give you a thumbs up.
in the
My
control
camera's
room?
really laggy.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you though. Perfect. All right.
Okay.
So let me bring up my charts. Let's see what we're looking at today. Guys, it's Thursday. Trump is coming on. I ain't even worried about it. Um, these are my charts here. So today, right? Today was a wild day. Um, it's oddly enough, right? I screamed for 30,000 for 2 days, then it hit. G Wiz from one of the Discord groups, he's been screaming for 29,054, right? Or right from my zone. Where did we open this morning? This morning, I really didn't even take no trades because I was working all day on some other stuff. But I think, where did we open? That's 1 o'clock. Oh, this market. So, right, was this today? No, that was the 16th, the 15th, the 16th, right here. Oh, this market right here. This is the pocket that I'm looking for. Right in here. So we had unemployment news. It made a little wiggle up. I was on the road when that happened. I was watching it from my phone. It made a little wiggle up, hit the VWAP and rejected. And guys, look at the next VWAP test. Here at 466, it kind of played. You guys have my zones. You guys have the zones. And then it was just, that's all she wrote from there, like straight down. Now, oh, this is on NQ. I apologize. Let me pull up MNQ. This zone right here, 226. I actually spoke to Blue earlier today, Blue Nitty. And he's like, hey, it went down to your zone. It's 228, 226 zone right here. So we dropped 500 points straight to it. Well, no, 300 points and then another 200 here where we're at today, right? It's 942. I don't know what Savage you have. I haven't heard what you have yet, but I got a 942 and then I got an 801. Trump is coming on in 40 minutes. He is either going to literally save the market or tank it. Like this is it. This is his last straw. So it's been riding down. Like I had a little, I don't even know what I had drawn here today at some point. I had some little, oh, I was trying to do Tory trend lines over here. What he's got in store. But this right here, right now, it doesn't seem like much. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. Like this is hard right now to snipe because it's just a straight trend down, right? If you go to the 1 hour, your next entry would be the 180. If we get a pop up to 180, I'll take that down to the 942. That's the only thing I'm looking for right there. That's all I got for what the market is doing. And my charts are probably all choppy as all get out. Let me take a look.
It looks like
I'm
it's
gonna build another office in my house for my
90-year-old
wife,
saying,
and that's gonna give me an opportunity to have another workspace. Why? Why do you say that?
I got to squint.
So I'm looking for a 180 pop, guys, down to the but it not. Oh, let me. Wait, my bad. My bad. Is that better?
Oh yeah, look at that.
180 pop. I'm looking for a 180 pop, but not if Trump is talking. If Trump is talking, I'm not gonna do anything if Trump is talking. Once he starts to talking, I'm just gonna wait for the move to happen. But if we get a nice little pop up to 180, 190 before he comes on, I'm gonna take that. Bottle of water. Ah,
I'm marking my chart up kind of where I'm looking at too. On the daily here is, again, wick test. And so I'll be
yeah,
looking
trade of
for a
it is
short.
down. JD.
Yeah, no reason to rush or FOMO. There's always another day to trade. Just kind of listen, take it as a blessing with Trump talking. So you never know what's going to happen.
Yep. And remember, guys, speed up the stream so you are caught up to the least lag as possible. YouTube is still throttling us down, but you go ahead and speed up to the stream. We're gonna wait on Trump. I'm gonna try to pump the Trump speech on, and we're gonna see what he says. Honestly, I was hoping for a better move. Maybe we'll get a better move at 9 o'clock, but this market is not it right now, guys. And I'd rather not trade than trade and lose a trade. What is this?
So, Burke, if you looked at my daily where I made those wick test things, it just happens to fall within the New York orb low.
Interesting.
So that's where I'll be looking for a short.
Bro, that 100 right there. That 100 orb to my 226 level at the end of the day, that was great.
Yeah,
I don't know.
that was nice.
Uh,
I'm glad I closed out that
take a
position right
trade,
now.
maybe
Hopefully
not
I will
yet.
tomorrow. You gotta remember the small moments when we're growing. Yeah, if you all hit that like button,
Yeah,
share, subscribe,
yeah, this is it.
it helps push more people out closer to us. We're almost at 30 subs. Come on. Road to 1 million.
Come on, road to 500. Road to 500.
Rick, you're thinking too small.
Hey, we got to start at 500. Then from there, we hit the thousands. And guys, let me tell you, today I spent a lot of time working on this app. You guys have seen the preview of the app. I can't preview it right now because I'm not even going to attempt it. I don't have it on this computer. It's on the computer where I'm running OBS on, which is over here, and I don't want to mess with it. But that app is just about ready to launch. I'm working on the intelligence portion of it right now. You're going to literally be able to come on, get onto your app and be like, how's my trading, for the week? And it'll give you an analysis of your trading for the week. And it'll tell you if you should even trade there. Because as I've been doing research, some of these big traders, some of your favorite traders, They're flipping a lot of accounts to get these big payouts. You're not realizing what they're doing. They're fooling you, they're fooling me, they're getting paid in affiliate money. That's all they're getting paid on, and that's where they're making their money. And they're making you think like they're these great traders, and in reality they're not. I can count on one hand who are the really good traders and who are not, but most of them are just flipping accounts on you and showing you those accounts. Those are your IG heroes, your IG millionaires, your YouTube heroes that you near and dear follow. The one thing you're going to get here on this channel is complete transparency. We're not sending minis, we're playing micros. And like I've been saying from the beginning, is $200 to $300 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. And you scale side to side, you don't scale up. Scaling up is adding contracts. We don't want to do that. We want to scale to the side where we want to add more accounts. And then you can start considering copy trading if you got something that really works for you. And 200 to 300 times 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 4 accounts. You know, you do the math. I've been talking to some of you here that follow us closely on the stream. And I've been telling you and preaching the same thing. When you're ready to scale, you got to scale to the side, not up. But you have to remain disciplined. Stop watching these IG folks. Stop watching these X folks that are pretending to add a bunch of money into their accounts. They're creating FOMO in you so you can go out and buy accounts using their codes, using their affiliate link. They get your money and you keep blowing accounts. Now, if you're in a position to keep blowing accounts, feel free, by all means, do so. But I'm not in a position to blow accounts. I don't think anybody in here is in a position to blow accounts. And with the exception of 1 or 2, maybe, like Savage. Savage can blow all the accounts in the world.
Nah. You know what, though? Like, with that, I started doing some math, and like the years that I've been trading and trying to make thousands of dollars every day and thousands of dollars every day. And there were days that I had it, like even today between all the accounts. And I showed a little bit earlier for those people who are just now back in. This was earlier today. I made $2,800 between all my accounts, but there were $300 pops. There's one $500, there's one $400 in here. But it was just scaling little by little. And what I found over a period of time is the more accounts I tried to push it to make $1,000+ Now this is for me, I was blowing more accounts versus if I just took my time over a period of say a month, that it would allow me to take more payouts versus trying to take that one payout a month on account, trying to hit $1,000 and blowing it. So I've scaled down, like Brick was talking about, just stretch the accounts, copy trade. Now all those accounts, they were individual trades. I didn't copy trade. With this prop firm, you can't copy trade on them. It's not one of the rules that they allow. But I don't mind it because if I have a bad trade on one, it doesn't affect everything. I don't blow all the accounts at one shot.
You know, and keeping that in mind, right? If you do that and you focused on one account, just one account, and you say, okay, this is going to be the main account that I want to get to pay out, and you make $200 a day, then you do that on other accounts. Guess what? When that account gets to the payout, $1,000 payout, your other accounts are also going to be eligible. So here you have 4,000 to 5,000, 6,000, depending on how many accounts you got. So that's a bonus, right? And then you got enough buffer to keep going. Like this prop firm stuff, if you really do the math and the reality of it, like I've been listening to these, the seminar that they have had on all week with wealth charts. Some of these guys that get on and tell you the reality. you can find $100 move easy on an account. But and if you multiply that, you're breaking in and out. Break. I know. I'm sorry, Miss K, but if you break that 35 times 100, that's a lot of money. Oh, I am breaking in and out bad. Let me try to see if I
All right, while Burke's working at something, I'm looking at a possible trade coming up here, and it may fall back when Trump gets done with his. I'll show you what I'm looking for. So we have a lower liquidity down here, and if you look at the daily chart, that's where I made it out. So this volume candle here, there's more volume, and I want to see this come down, break through here and hold. And once that does that, I would like this candle, like I said, I want to see this come down below here. You also see the trend sits here, the volume, so it's kind of a really nice zone that I'm watching. But I want to see it come down here, hold, and then strong volume push up through it. When it does that, the next candle, have it create here, and then this will create a liquidity gap in this spot, and I'll be looking for an entry rate in this general area.
I can't hear you at all now. Testing 1, 2.
I got you, Rick.
Oh my God.
So that's what I'm looking for on a trade that's coming up. So if Mr. G's in here, I see Dandy Shandy beep, beep, is in here. He got another payout. He should be getting moved to live soon. He's been destroying the market, taking his time, and he's another one that's honed his craft, and it's well earned. How'd you do today, Dandy? And another one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, G. Well earned, well earned. I think Mr. Michael
She was in there.
is going to be reaching out to you and saying you owe him all that
I
money
just
back.
walked right in. Bring me your charger. Yeah, the Apple charger.
Not my phone charger. Which one?
The big block charger.
Hey, we hear Burke on YouTube now. But this is what I'm looking for. We got another 30 minutes before Trump, so he might create that volume there. Nice, G.
This is wild. I need to get software.
Yeah, I'm just being
So
patient
wild.
with this. We knew he was about to pop out, and it's in a couple of different my zones here. I'm just trying to be patient. So this is the boring part of the stream sheet.
This is wild. I need to get. Oh wait, but you can hear me.
I can hear you, but being patient with this.
But I can't hear him. Is the problem?
It's in a couple of different my zones.
All right.
It looks like my stream is froze a little bit. I know Trade Evade's down. Is there something with the cloud network or something that everything runs on? The I know there's a big service. I forget what it was. It shut down before and jacked everybody up at the same time. AG, you done trading for the night? What are you looking at? You looking for, you reverse your trades now? Ooh, that'd be sweet. If this comes down to that lower liquidity and does that move that I was kind of forecasting, if it does it, the 50% of this move will be right below this wick where I have it says look for short. So what are we at here? Beyond 440 points. You live with that. All right, G. Might see you there. I got to wake up super early. I lost a bet with my 10-year-old, and I have to wake up at 3 o'clock to go sit out in front of a store looking for Pokemon. So I got to man up and honor my bet. All right, Bert. G, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out. But you have a good night, and catch you on the other side. We are about 20 minutes away from Trump. Let's go.
I'm trying. Wait.
Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out.
I just can't hear you on my.
Have a good night, and
You don't sound laggy, and I think my voice sounds great. I just can't hear you from the control room.
all right, Bert, you hear now?
So I don't know what you're saying or if I'm interrupting.
Give me a second, a little troubleshooting here. Hey, Brick, your camera's facing straight up.
I'm trying. Wait.
Smash that like button on your way out.
I just can't hear you on my.
There you go.
Even if. Okay.
JD, have you what are you looking at here? Have you smashed all your accounts yet?
So if I go here.
Man, it's so slow right now. This is like abnormally slow, tick by tick. I think everyone's waiting for Trump.
All right, that camera is better. Let me mute this microphone. camera's better.
All right.
Testing 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. Let me see. Waiting to see if it comes across to YouTube.
We're looking for these Harambe Campbells, the pregnancy dumps from yesterday.
Yep, that came across. This side. Huh.
Who was it? Have some DGen accounts just to see some movement on these
Yeah, see if it can-
price tickers. Looking for these Harambe Campbells, the pregnancy dumps.
Not the Harami candles.
JD's not trading. Good job, bud. I knew traded it would keep you under control.
Trader rate done saved his account.
It's probably smart. Like, this is so dead. 97. It's a 10-point range in the last 10 minutes.
So,
I think I can make 7 points in that range, Burke.
all right, I think now I can hear you great. I think you can hear me great.
Hey, JD, FFF, unless they've recently changed the rules, they've been doing things in better of the trader. But one of their things that they had is no copy trading. I don't know if that was just on evals or if it was prop firms, their funded accounts. But I will certainly take a quick peek here because I'm for Mr.
While Savage takes a look at that, all right, now I think I'm back. I think you guys can hear me. I think all of the delays are done. I had to pull out yet another laptop.
All right, well, that's a show for tonight.
That's it. It's done.
All right.
Guys, like and subscribe. We're live. This is what happens when you go on live. We got 6 people watching, 8 likes. Hey, the math is mathing. So I wanted to see the 180 pump. No 180 pump. We're going to wait on Trump. He is going to continue to obliterate this market. He doesn't care. He does not care what he's got going on here. But I'll tell you what he is doing. I bet you he's buying the dips.
Yep.
Let's see. What screen is that? That's your screen. Okay. In hindsight, it looked like an easy market today, right? In hindsight, all in hindsight, because the way the market came, it just went straight down, right? But these candles here were, 80, 35, looking at 50, 60 point candles. I don't even know what the ATR was today, but that's pretty bad. And right here, let me look at this 15-minute. Oh, what is this? I'm clicking too fast.
Sorry, I'm just trying to read through, trying to find where I saw that once before.
Bro, why
I
are
like
you
trying to
reading?
keep up
Just
with
chat
all the rules
GBT that thing.
in the account that I'm trading.
What are we trying to find out?
For real? Copy trading rules on FFF.
Funded
Here.
family.
Perplexity.
Oh, he said the key word.
Here, let's put their website in here. Let's see. Okay, based on funded futures family. Hey, look at this. The answer is no. They specify states that automated trading of any kind is prohibited, and that they explicitly copying trading software is prohibited.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good. That makes you a better trader. They just don't want people to come in there and start cycling accounts, blowing accounts, or even taking a lot of money out of their accounts, right? They're trying to no one-hit wonders. I'm selling my life for giveaway. All right, Dandy. Dandy is tonight's giveaway sponsor. She is going to be sponsoring the giveaway for tonight. So, Dandy, what are you giving out?
Her Cash App.
What size account you trying to give out, Dandy? Help us out. You let me know what size account and we'll go ahead and get this giveaway going. I want to see this pop. I would like to see this pop. And Trump speaks in, oh my Lord, in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If y'all hear some background noise, I'm in the dining room. My wife is over there. Deja's over there. She's hanging out in a Bucky's outfit.
That's awesome. She have like the beaver pajamas on?
Yeah, she got the beaver pajamas on, bro.
Yes.
And here's the sad part, right? She's an adult.
Hey.
I should bring her on stream. Show her her beaver pajamas and her bonnet.
She must be getting ready to go to Walmart.
Yeah. Got my wife in a bonnet. This is life we live in.
Hey, I heard that you were sending them both away for manicures and pedicures.
Not in this market. Not in this market. Did you see that deal that Top Step put out today for the 250K for $499?
Yeah.
I think they only had a limited amount available and they were sold out from what I heard.
$10,000 total drawdown.
Oh,
that's screaming. Send it.
For real.
End of day drawdown, $10,000.
Yeah. Yeah. See, you can buy one of those and comfortably trade, 2 to 3 minis, no problem. I don't know. Maybe. It's this market. So we're getting 15. This nice push up. Right when Trump is getting ready to talk, I might take a sale here at the 80s, 080s.
Get that.
No, you want to be on come here, let everybody see your jammies. Let everybody see your jammies. And then Wealth Charts, the champion trend indicator is giving me now a buy signal. Then I don't know. I just got that up on the other computer, just watching it. Guys, you know how we do. I like to peep at somebody's screen. Oh, no trades. Come on, good job.
No trades. I have not
good
taken
job.
One tonight.
Good job.
It's not. Honestly, I don't see anything that really. I like trading views better, but I honestly haven't hit anything that really screams zone. Now I kind of like that the 2980 that you're looking at because it comes into this lower wick that it's coming up to now.
Yeah, I can't press a limit sale on this laptop. Oh boy, y'all see my mouse over there? I can't put a limit. Well, I guess we're just gonna dive off the deep end.
And we're coming up to this trend line.
I don't like the way the 9 and VWAP are kind of curving now to the upside, but I'm going to take a stab at it at the 80s if we get a nice little quick wick up. That's on the 15-minute chart. Let me look at the 5-minute. 5-minute. Oh, yeah, even more so, guys. I'm taking the sell right here at the. Oh, man. I can't even.
Yeah, I threw a limit order into. It's right below the what candle is that? The 755 candle, the 5-minute candle. So it comes in at 29.
Yeah, this laptop ain't letting me put a wick order. I'm trying to put in an order, guys. It doesn't. I don't think the right click works on this mouse. Hence the reason it was stuck somewhere. But I don't know how to put limit orders on here. Wait, I can. Can I? I think if I go here, if I go up high enough, I think I can put like a limit order on the down. There we go. So where there's a way, there's a will. I'm gonna have this limit order sitting right at the VWAP of the 5-minute, and then when I go over to the 15-minute, is also the VWAP, so that's double confluence there. But again, Trump is coming on in 7 minutes, and this thing can just rip. So we'll see what Papa Trump has to say. He promised me $1.50 gas by July 4th, and I ain't see it. Now gas is over $4. Let's see, let's get this nice little push up. Let's see where.
Yeah, I have a limit order sitting in there as well at 29, 80, 75. And then I put a stop loss about 50 points up, 29, 133.25.
That's a great idea to put a stop loss, but I can't even do that yet. Oh, well, I guess I can do a buy.
The reason for that stop loss placement is this candle here had a lot of the selling volume for this push up, so I like to keep it above that limit there, because if it pushes there, it's going to come up higher. I'll look to reposition myself if it reverses from there.
Yeah, it ain't letting me do a buy up there, so I can try to cancel it out. So I'm gonna have to be fairly quick here.
Are you on?
Here we go.
Trading.
Here we go. Almost in. It almost wicked me in. Almost wicked me in. Look at that. It's about to wick me in. Come on. Did you get wicked in?
Yeah, I'm in.
Oh, so what was your price?
75, 80, 75.
Oh, I'm at 86 because I'm right under the VWAP.
Yeah, I took it right below that 5-minute candle at 755, the 29, 80, 75.
What do you know?
I got my 7 points. I should close it. I'm a 7-point trader.
Nah, we're going for the 100 points tonight.
I mean, there's something to it. You send 15 minis for 7 points, you get some dollars. But if it pulls back on you, you're toast.
That's facts. You want to leave my custody? Yeah, I'm gonna need a snack to watch Donald Trump. Oh, come on. Look, guys, y'all already know that I sometimes miss my trades because I'm very, very picky with my entries. But I needed that slap. And I got some things bouncing on the bottom of my computer on the screen. It's like doom doom. I don't know what those are. This is a Mac that I'm on now. I don't know Macs. Yeah, I think that's potentially it right there.
Yeah, and I'm gonna look for. So I'm gonna risk 50 points for 119 points.
Yeah, I like that. It's a 2-to-1 risk right there.
And when we get down to basically the 1-to-1, once we reach 50 points down below here, I'll bring it to break even.
I'm gonna see if I can find Papa Trump.
Hey, Brick, what do you think of my Sasquatch shirt? Did you just check that with the rubber duckies?
Oh, come on now. We got to start wearing some like wild, crazy shirts, right? I always wear like ministry shirts, so but we got to wear some funny shirts.
You gotta get the rubber duckies going.
Rubber duckies need saving too.
Come on. And we got 14 points in a 5-minute candle. That's pretty nice.
Come on now. Bro, I'm a little salty right now because I couldn't get in. I would have been in like 20 points.
I still think we might touch you. Let's go. All right, is Trump on yet?
Not yet. I'm texting him now, letting him know to just say the war might be over. That way I can get pump, get my position in, and then dump.
No, we gotta say the negotiations have been settled. And then tomorrow, New York session, they aren't settled.
Bro, if he says they're settled though, this thing is, it might break all of our strength.
About the long options or the puts, and it's another direction.
And man, and normally I would have been good with that if I would have, which I should have just checked remotely. MOC seemed to be a buy, but I didn't look at the long dated options. I didn't look at none of the options, which I should have. That way we could have seen the direction. But I don't know if you noticed yesterday, I put it out on Luna's chat that I saw an odd buy, and I think I talked to you about it, an odd buy on Apple. And if you look at Apple today, it was the only one green out of the Max 7. Like it moved up. It pumped up nicely. It pumped up very nice. So that was something that I got to look for in the future. If I see something odd like that, like an oddball buy, somebody bought 1.4 million shares, not dollars worth, but shares at the
Wow.
price, at the current bid. They just bought it. So, and today Apple did well today. Let me see what they were at.
Let me borrow $1.
For real. Good night, JD.
All right, I think we're gonna come up and touch your limit order here.
Not even looking. Maybe it already
You
filled.
still have that on?
Yeah, it's still on there. Let me show. Oh, I don't have my screen. Bro, too many screens, too many things. Yeah, it's still there. I haven't moved it.
Yeah, because Tory trend line is right there.
Trying to look at the stock today. Apple.
All right, you should be in now.
Oh yeah, it's in. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. All right, so stop loss. What are we gonna say? 144. I wanted the 180 earlier, but that's probably risking too much. That's probably risking too much there. But yeah, if he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it. It is what it is. But this
Trump is gone.
The potential, pretty much a 1-to-1 risk right there. See what he does.
I got Trump yelling in my other ear right now.
Oh, let me see if I can bring him up. I probably won't be able to pipe him in, but at least I can watch and listen to what he's got to say. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a commercial. I can't do commercials. Kind of have a pre-notion that I should have never took this trade now.
Big, beautiful bill are saving hardworking families thousands and thousands of dollars, like with the provisions, no tax on tips.
Oh yeah, this is gonna pump
overtime, and no tax on Social Security for our great seniors.
This is about the pump.
Interest deduction on a loan used to purchase a car.
Yes, sir.
But only if that car is made in America at a 100% expensing for a job creating.
Yeah, this is about the pump.
Our stock markets are at their highest point in many years.
That's a lie.
Of all time.
That's a lie. We're not at the stock market ain't up.
Every single day, the highest in history. For years, we paid the highest price.
Oh, he lied.
No, he's pre-forecasting.
Oh, he is lying, bro.
Because I was able to get the rest of the world and the pumps.
The last time he said that we were down, and then the market just
Yeah.
Prices are coming down by 70, 80, and 90%.
We already know that YouTube likes when people eat, so.
This will ultimately reduce the cost of healthcare. You have to go to TrumpRx.gov and take advantage of
TrumpRx.com.
the cost of healthcare is coming way down because of what we've done with prescription drugs. And with Trump accounts, every child in America knows.
Truth Social Media is selling faster access to President Trump's posts for traders and investors.
Millions of dollars are being invested, put in by companies and individuals to take care of our children.
So you can pay for Trump's tweets.
They will have potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars in their account, and they'll get off to a great start in life. So for that, go to TrumpAccounts.gov and sign up.
Now, I wonder if my kids did that for their kids.
Our previously wide open borders have been
Hey, Blue, are you still here? Blue Nitty?
in the history of our country with zero.
Are you still in chat?
Being admitted to the United States in the past 14 months. That is zero. Nobody thought it was possible. We had the worst border.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Right.
Now we have
He already did the Trump account for his son. Frankie.
Yeah, I signed my kids up. I have the accounts, but they didn't get all the free money and stuff.
Yeah.
So I can just donate into it now.
We're making a record investment in our armed forces.
So now they got the Roth IRA, the Trump account.
Military, by far.
Well, here we go. We're getting a nice wiggle down.
During my first term, and unfortunately, we're forced to.
There we go.
We won in Venezuela, which is now working with us.
The advantage of going small size.
We are likewise winning.
Right off
The
my track.
advantages of doing a small size. Here we go. Let's look at Savage's screen. Boom. He's in it.
Is back, and
I'm in it.
really well, but we still have a major challenge that must be urgently addressed because no country can be.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Come on.
You have
Come on, Trump, do your thing.
to, because if there can be no
Come on,
100
Trump.
points.
there can be no greatness, and that's very simple. No trust, no greatness. greatness.
No trust, no greatness. Trust the trade, guys.
Decisive action to protect the integrity of America's elections. Every American deserves to know that
Oh,
when
this
they
is good.
cast their vote, that vote will be counted accurately in a system
What you eating?
that is to make that system
I'm eating a quesadilla.
one where
Mm.
cheating and interference are not
What are you doing?
just difficult, but virtually impossible.
You got shrimp or steak? What do you got in that thing?
The system we have today falls
Chicken.
catastrophically short.
Chicken? You dip it in salsa?
Tonight,
Sour cream.
the immediate
Yeah.
I eat salsa now. I won't be able to sleep.
Intelligence revealing shocking vulnerabilities in our election infrastructure.
And I think my
This
wife
evidence
is
shows that the election system
taking a
we
video
have
of me or something.
dangerously exposes and really exposes
I'm still waiting to see Bucky walk by.
possible to hack.
Bro, she ran right into the room. She's like, I don't want to be on there.
Just as-
I should show my wife bonnet. I got that look.
I felt the look.
But that all changes right now. The documents we will release starting tonight have been gathered by the White House Government Transparency Task Force, a great group of people, along with the staff of the President's Intelligence Advisory Board, supported by our top intelligence agency chiefs.
Look how easy it is to get $100.
We are presenting this evening and fully confirmed their authenticity. You can see these documents for yourself at whitehouse.gov. That's White House.
Let's go. Bro, that's the amount they gave him?
Our purpose in disclosing this information.
Or
is
did you
not
add
to
into it?
confidence.
I got Blue Nitty just sent me a copy.
Confidence by confronting vulnerabilities and correcting them very, very quickly, and that's what we're doing. The documents cover 5 major areas.
You gotta hit up the kids.
First, they show that
That's kid for $1 now.
during the 2020
Bro.
election cycle, the People's Republic
That kid got more money than I do.
is believed to be the largest compromise of election data in history, resulting in China's illicit acquisition of 200.
Now imagine if we were trading times 35 accounts. Right there, boom. That's all we needed, this move.
For real.
Gotcha, Nitty.
That would be needed to register to vote and engage in other
So you added the $1 million. Gotcha.
which is exactly what was happening. This data loss presents an unprecedented election security nightmare. The intelligence even shows that China signed a data
You have roughly $1 million more than me.
to this new project.
Did anybody else? I know it gets boring, right? You start losing viewers when you're just sitting in a trade and not entertaining people. But I was eating in front of you guys. That's entertaining. But I wonder how many people went long thinking that Trump was going to save this market tonight.
For real.
Did anybody else see anything similar and is in the trade right now? Anybody else in the trade? I'd like to know if anybody else is in the trade. This is another W for
What
the night.
stickers
It's
do you
not
got?
bad. See, if I was leveraged in what I normally leverage, then I would have been done already with this trade. But we knew Trump was coming on, so you just take 2 micros. 3 to 5 micros is all you need.
Boss sonar hacked by China.
Yeah.
All right, wealth charts through our red dot finally. Let's go. See, they need to go off our charts, not theirs. Come on. one of the slowest markets, Bert.
Yeah. Come on, just melt. Let's go. Let's just push down.
There it
Push it
is.
down.
I got the sell signal. Push.
There we go.
50 points into the green.
Yeah. You know what? We ain't leaving that way up there. We are not leaving that way up there.
Yeah, I think it
Y'all
broke that
already
last.
know. I'll take, if it comes back up, I'll take a $20. But I want to see how far down this can really push. See, if it would have been my 5 micros, we would have been done. We would have been done.
Yeah, 5 minis.
Oh, if I was 5 minutes, bro, I would have been asleep already.
You could have put it in that Trump account.
I would have been asleep. Here we go. Here's the next little wiggle down. 2 micros up 230, 240. Wait, my wife is in the room. I can't say it too loud. Then she'll want manicures and pedicures.
Just go buy a new bonnet.
Go buy a new bonnet. She just said, "That's right. She needs a new one."
I think they give have ones that have head massages and stuff like that now. So
listen, I'm gonna bring down the stop a little bit down to 63. My stop is at 0.70. Just because I don't like where it turned around. I don't like where it turned around here. I needed it to break down under the previous candle for the move down, but let's see. Trump is talking about Obama now. Oh man, bro, the comment section in this stream, my God.
I'm sure. Miss K's the only one that can keep up with that.
Yeah.
She can reply to each and every one of the people that fast. Come on.
I think I hear Nala. Oh no, she's right there. I'm just reading some of these comments. These comments are pretty wild. Uh-oh. Are we still live? Something happened.
I think so.
Right, something happened. Oh, it doesn't matter if this computer died though. Hold on. Bro.
What you got going on? You breaking stuff?
It's a bad battery too. I didn't even know it. Yeah, I gave Marcus, his daughter, a really good computer. Enter startup. I think. Let me check if we're live. We should be.
I think we are. Yeah, we're still live.
Okay, good. Yeah, 'cause that's on the.
We're good.
Should make sure that I'm on. Did my mouse die too?
Now he's throwing out China, Russia, Iran. Let's throw them all in the same bucket. Come on, dump this.
Oh yeah, we still on there. I gotta buy a new battery for this laptop.
With your $500 you're making here, you can go buy a new computer.
Yeah, probably right.
Buy your daughter an office.
Yeah, we gotta fix we're running a business out of the house, a candle making company. And we decided to put that to bed, and that room is gonna become my wife's office. So we gotta get that all ready. So it'll become her office. And then my daughter can get herself an external monitor and work out of that office when she needs to work from home, and then I'll never have to leave my office. Well, I have to leave it though. And this is the last day of the week for trading this, so this gotta hit CP. This gotta hit CP.
Where do you have your TP sitting here? Let's see.
Bro, you don't even want to know. My TP is down at 949.
All right. I'm sitting at 961. I think I'm gonna pop that up a little bit.
All I see going across the chat and one of the streams that I'm watching for Trump is sell Nas. Everybody sell Nas, which is the NQ. Yes, sell it. Sell that thing. It's not doing good for my stock portfolio, but this is not good. Here we go. Let's get this next little wiggle down, guys. Anybody else in this? Nobody? Nadia Master, we only got 3 good. I know, guys, this gets boring watching the markets this slow. I get it. Come on to a stream. Don't have giveaways, but we have the sniper entries. Let me go see.
I mean, I'm up $128 of one micro.
Yeah, I'm up 270 with 2 micros. Like, whatever. Let me see. I'm just gonna do a little I'm gonna go see who else is on. See what kind of positions they're in. Yeah, he's done. He took a small win. That was Jay done. He took a small win. He's already done. He's already out. And we're still in.
Who's that?
Jay Dunn.
Oh, Jay Dunn? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Danny Dallas. He
Bro, This gotta be a demo account. There ain't no way.
Who?
There ain't
Who's
no
that?
way. That has to be a demo account.
Who?
Brad with Rocket Scooter.
Let me look. What's he got going on?
850 contracts?
No,
Oh,
stop it.
he just put there paper trading. Okay. Okay. I was about to say, bro, he's up like $90,000. But Savage, look at his entry. His entry is 29,078.
Oh, rated R entry.
He's right at our entry.
I beat him. Yep.
I got a better entry than he did. Just goes to show, man, when and you know, nothing against him, really great guy. Brad is awesome. What they got going on over there is amazing. And it's just nice to see that good traders see the market, right? Good traders know what to look for in the market. And you know what? We're gonna move this down another little bit. And I'm gonna secure 105 with the fees. Gives me $100. Let this thing keep melting. Where you at? Oh, you way down there too? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking. That's that liquidity zone that I had pointed out earlier that I want to see taken out.
Bro, I should have took this in
And
the Apex competition.
Oh, we still do that? I blew mine. Let's see.
I blew mine too. This is a different account.
I was sending it.
Yeah, this is a different one. I signed up twice. I'm gonna see if I get a little push up, a little wiggle up. Yeah, I'm taking it right there. Sending 5 minutes short on that. A little late, should have been there, but if I would have done that from my entry, I would have been up $6,000. But we'll just let that sit there. I got a lot. I'm nowhere near placing any position in that competition, but it's fun. Something to do on the side.
Yeah.
Bro, we've lost all our viewers.
I got up to like 20. I got up to like 20th position, and then it went by.
How much is the battery for this?
We had 8 likes.
Look for a battery. See, no, not too bad. $30. $30. Let's just see this thing melt, man. Like Trump. Come on.
So boring. Come on. It's the most boring way to make easy money.
Yo, for real. What are you doing? No, we gotta have a night where the spouses come and join us.
No, my wife ain't touching that.
She's got to wear the
Join
bonnet.
you down there for. She'll come down there and join you for dinner.
I would eat an ice cream, but I can't do that part online. They can clip that video, and it just doesn't look right eating an ice cream online.
Are you eating a frozen banana?
Oh, I need to clip that. Okay, he's finishing up. He is finishing up. As you already know, he's finishing up. I got my finger on the close just to see. He is done. He is done. Now the people are going to digest it.
I brought my stop down below the sell zone limit that they have here, so it's a 29.60. So I'm 20 points into the green, $40 up.
Nah, I'm bringing mine way down. I'm securing $200 on this move. I waited this long. I'm securing at least 200. It's 9:30. I'll take that. Why does my Mac say it's got low battery? What are you doing? You're plugged in, like. Oh no, you're not. It's about to stop me out. I just don't want to sit in this and keep wasting time. I'll take the 200 for the night. And with all of the struggles I had tonight, this is a huge win. Yep, I'm out. Let's see where Savage is at. Holding. I just did it because it's been, with all my struggles tonight, to come on here and still make $200. That's a big W. Bro, I got 62 messages. $62 texts to get to.
Yeah, buddy. Come on, stay out of there. Sitting below this, their sell line, what they call.
Yeah, actually, let me go. Oh, bro, I forgot I was in some sales over there. Good Lord.
You still in it?
Oh, yeah, I forgot all about it. Yeah, that's not going so well. Oh, wait, it just turned around. Cancel orders. Oh, man, it just turned around nicely. Oh, this is about that flush. You already know, Blue. Always secure profits. Nothing wrong with securing profits. I secured my little 200. I could have stayed in. This thing is about to melt. Now it's gonna push. Now it's gonna push. I would have had my 500. I guarantee you. Like G Wiz says, this is a guaranteed trade.
I mean, that stop placement was good. The little zone that they got set there.
Yeah, well, I would have had it higher, whereas and structurally where it should have been, and not chase the dollar figure. I would have been good. Yeah, this is going to rip down. If I would have had it here structurally where it should have been up here, because that was the structure. I just chased it down. But hey, it's 200 that I didn't have. Let me get another water.
Bounce though. 20. went 20 to 50. It bounced 30 points right there. And my take profit sitting down at exactly 100 points. So we can do another 100 TP night. And we're going to eat. That's what's on your wall.
That's it. That's it. You ain't never seen this wall. Look, this wall right behind me. It's the wall of blessings. I sit at the head of the table with the blessings behind me. Yeah, this is about to rip down. You ever get that heart palpitation? And every time your heart pumps, you hear it say, "Oh, Lord."
Oh, come on. You just missed me. Hit me.
Oh,
Here,
bro.
I got trail aggressively here.
Bro.
All right, I just trailed aggressively. It wicked down below that liquidity. And I'll put it above this candle. Come on.
I chased the dollar figure instead of the structure. Now is when I should have put my stop loss where I originally had it up to the 200. Would have been up 400. Nah, but you good. This is gonna another night, another 100-point trade. That's all it is. Another 100-point trade right here. What's your TP?
I have it at 29 or 28, 980, 75. That's exactly 100 points.
Oh, let's go.
But I would like it to come down to this 28, 955.
Yeah, I got the 942.
In reality, I'd like to see it push down below this hard, down to around like 28, 930. And then close below here, and then hard push up above.
Yeah. Let me see if I can make a quick graphic. Verifying Python. What?
Come on, push. Hit me.
Oh, man. Another
Another
100-point trade.
Come on.
Another 100-point trade. I left $200 on the table.
Edging me.
Where did I leave $200 on the table? What a rookie.
You got 3 points away. Let's go. Got the red dot. Harambe. Pregnant candle.
Try this later. Oh, wait.
Nah. Missed me by 3 points.
Nah, you'll get another flush down. You'll get another flush down. It's going to get another push down here. It needed to breathe. It needed to breathe. And it has to give me opportunity to create a quick image. Let me look at the 5-minute structure. Oh yeah, it's breathing. You go up to 008 and then remove down. Another move down. It's breathing.
It's fine. I'm fine with 70 points here. I'm basically leaving $60 on the table. But
You go here. Yeah.
I think it's gonna. Yep, there it got me. It hit me. It's all right.
Look at the graphic now on YouTube.
Need to catch me live.
I'm being bold enough and putting it.
There you go.
All right, there goes the 08. Now let's see this thing melt. I just want to see it melt for principal now. Let me look at this one. Wait, am I still in the trade over here? Oh no, I got out for 2,500. You working on AI at the same time, man? I know I am. I want to see this thing melt. Okay. Here we go. I told you to tap the 08 and then continue to flush down. They needed to breathe. Those breathing candles and those breathing zones I learned from high frequency trading. Oh, HFT, look at that. Binary trading. I did that years ago, and those were my snipe entries. It's like this broker called Pocket Options. You trade for 60 seconds, and you're in the trade for 60 seconds, and either wherever it's at, either up or down, depending on what you took, you just win the trade. And I learned the breathing candles there, and went pretty well. But some of those brokers really don't pay. There was a breather and then tank. I just want to see this hit CP now. Oh, I don't think we even got music on now. No music. So, music for stream. Y'all already know. Got to play the anthem. So we're coming here to the end. Not for nothing, but this is a song that I even listen to in my car. Can't see that.
Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn. I know the zone.
Look at that. Yo, I hope we're gonna see this hit. Let me go make sure I can hear it on the YouTube. Where's this guy? I don't ever see this guy trade. I always just see him just there talking. Denny trades.
Yeah.
He doesn't even trade, rookie. I'll challenge him. He's a rookie. He's got 1,000 people watching.
He's in size though, so.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
I've never seen him take a trade.
7 minis.
That's it?
Now, see, I don't know how TradeAway works. I don't know if that's copied across 7 accounts. That's 1 mini per account, but the thousands of dollars build up really quick.
There goes the 100 points.
There's my 100 points.
100 points.
Rookie.
Rookie. Oh, we already know. We speak about this during the day. We got to catch the 100-point trades every single night. Every night. Every night, 100-point trades. Well, well, we saw another 100 points. This week we went all green.
Yeah.
We did not lose a trade this week. All over 100 points each night.
Sweet movement.
So, yeah, I ain't building your accounts watching this small little stream here. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We scout minimum 100 points every night. Minimum. Sometimes it happens in the first 15 minutes of the stream. But we knew this was coming. We knew what Trump was going to do. We found the structure. And help us out. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Share with your coworkers. Remember that recommendation I gave you guys yesterday? Copy the link. When you get to work, send it to everybody in your Outlook inbox. Everybody. Send it to everybody. Look, we're going to come down and hit final TP was down here. So that would have been 150 points. Just took a few points.
That's the way it be sometimes.
It does. But being that he stopped talking, that's why I moved, because he stopped talking. We don't know what the market does, right? The market sometimes reacts. They process the news. They could, bro.
I told you. Here's that. Here's I'm going to see that dump down through this, hold, come back up here, test, and then my entry will be here again for a long. And I am going to take that straight up 400 points.
Guys, right now, everybody, if you're on your phone, grab the link, send a mass text to everybody in your contacts. Everybody has at least 100 people in their contacts. Send it to one person for each point that we get. And this week we're at over 600 points. And pretty soon there'll be an AI app that's going to be able to capture all of it and show it, proof. Because I want the AI to do it all on its own, because you can, well, I've seen people doctor up those payout certificates and doctor up trading calendars and whatnot. You won't be able to manipulate the data on the AI that's being created. There won't be any data manipulation there. I just want to see this hit. Bro, you got any fun plans for this weekend?
Let's see. My kid's got a pool party. Wife's getting her hair did. And just chilling. Next weekend starts our baseball tour, so kind of getting some things caught up before that starts.
You going out of state at all with that, or what?
Out of the area. We've got this tournament next weekend. It's an all-state tournament. It's like 4 hours away.
Gotcha.
So, it's an upper end of South Carolina.
Yeah, one of my buddies, he's a coach, and he's up in, they got their World Series going on now at Pigeon Forge.
Oh, nice.
Look at this push, 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 push. Guys, do us a favor, like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want minimum of 100 points every single night, just log in. We've been doing it. Go back and view the streams. All trades done live. This one should have been 150. Oh, he's calling it. He's calling it. He's calling it right then and there.
There's a candle down, close, hard candle push up, this one soft, and then I'll look for an entry right here.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, come on. Don't bounce. Don't bounce there. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. I don't got no soundboard, no nothing. Look at that. Look at that wick. Right there. Almost. Almost. It was 7 points away. 7 points away. That's crazy. That shouldn't even happen. Let me find it. Let me get I like this track too.
Look at that bounce off that. This is magic lines, Bert. Magic lines.
Bro, it's the zones. Those zones, man. We pay high dollar to get those zones. We pay high dollar to get those zones. Look how close that was. 7 points away, which of course is NQ, right? I call it a zone because it's anything between 5 to 10 points. Anything between 5 or 10 points, you do what you want, take your trade, you take your money, and that's it.
Yeah, for me, that trade I was just showing is not quite validated yet until this closes below here. I want to see a hard push and close below this.
Oh, look at your line. That thing hit the white line perfectly.
Yeah.
Or now it's got to come for mine. Now it's got to go hit mine.
5 minutes later, watching stops goodbye. I ain't married to a bias, I ain't got an ego. Green or red, I just follow where the feet go. Brick on the level.
Let's go, let's get that last little push.
Everybody locked in, waiting for the ball. No revenge.
This computer actually did its thing. Let me check the tax manager.
No guessing.
Ah, so that's what it was. I was just overwhelming it. Trying to put trying to do the control center from here as well. I was pushing this little laptop to the limit. This one only runs good if we have software, but this worked out great. The Mac can handle it.
Don't be looking at that, Bert.
Now I gotta order me a battery for this thing. This laptop was a gift. Somebody heard me. I was in my garage cleaning up, and somebody heard me say, "Man, my laptop is not working right because I got a 11-year-old Windows Surface, which still works great." And he walks over. He's like, "Here, I heard you need a laptop. Doesn't have a hard drive, but the laptop works."
That's cool.
I bought a hard drive for it, and the hard drive was like $7. Put that in there, and now I'm gonna get a battery for 20 and got a travel companion alongside my Surface. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. I want to see this hit, guys. I just want to see it hit, and that'll be the night. It's 10 o'clock, almost 10. Been on for 2 hours, made a little money. And not a bad way to end Asia stream, end the night with Trump speaking. It could have went either way. But the market shall bleed tomorrow. Here we go.
And that was a DJing trade. There we go.
I've been wanting to FOMO into something,
me.
but I'm just trying to keep it cool.
Yeah. I needed it to close below that. And I really feel strong about that, which it did. So now that we closed below it, I wanted to see it push down further, down more into my trend line. I really like to see it come down in here somewhere. and then have the hard push up and close above this.
Yep.
Next candle, not close, and then my entry here. That's really I would really like to see, but we'll be watching it.
All right, so I just pulled up wealth charts and this thing called the bearish breakout, whatever that is. So I'm guessing that it's going to just keep going. And now that sign is gone. The bearish breakout sign is gone. But listen, that came close enough. That came down. I feel better with that one because it came down to 947. My zone was 942. That's not bad. I feel better about that push down. Savage, this is it. That's all I got. That was a phenomenal week.
Yeah.
I'm over
Great
600
trade.
points captured on screen. Listen, tell a friend to tell a friend. We'll be on here next week. We'll start on Monday nights. We do Monday nights. Sunday nights I'm at church, so I'm not able to come on and stream. But Monday nights we come on Asia stream. Feel free to join the Discord. Right now, the Discord, we're building it out. It's a free spot. We're going to be doing pop-up lives on there, especially during New York session. I thought about doing one today, but I got caught up. But we're going to be doing pop-up lives on the Discord. Join us on the Discord. We're going to be building that out, having a lot of valuable information. We're going to build out, for those of you who trade options, we're going to have an options course on there. And speaking of options, next week, Savage, I'm doing this 1 week academy type options course, looking at level 3 and level 4s.
Oh wow.
Didn't even know that existed.
Nope.
Excuse
Quant
me.
manager. Being like a quant manager there.
Yes. Yes, and they're going to teach me how to view the iceberg orders of options and whatnot. And that I learned from the wealth chart guys. I mean, the summit that's going on. And then even a guy today went on there and he was really on the money talking about the options trading. And I would love to go back, and I'm sure they're going to put out all the videos, right, of everything that happened. And I want to go back and listen to this guy because he spoke about the 90% option plays. And the way he explained it was similar to what you did today, but it would have been a buy and a put. And then depending on where the delta sits, you subtract something out of it, and it tells you at what price point you should be buying. And then you buy one of each and one cancels the other, and then you make 50 to 100% on each one of your options. So it's something that I want to learn as well. I really want to start diving into options again. So, but I was interested when this guy started teaching about the iceberg orders and the level 3s and level 4s. I'm like, okay, how can I gain access to that? And that's only like $15 a month to get the level 3s on the platform and level 4s, but he's going to teach me how to read everything. I reached out to him, had a great conversation. He called me back today, and he's going to do me a solid for a week and teach me at least 1 hour a day on when it starts. Now, interestingly enough, I asked him what time works best for you. He's like, well, I try not to schedule anybody between this hour and this hour. And he's like, but I'm going to go ahead and schedule you. And it's from 3:30 to 4:30 because he wants to teach me how to trade 0 DTEs, MOC.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Yeah. Because he's like, you got a lot of experience. No, we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to learn how to trade 0 DTE, MOC on level 3s and level 4s.
Yeah, I just sold spreads today. So I bought a call and I sold a call. that was above that strike. So it reduced my cost limit. It limits my downside, but I have a significant upside. So I'd be interested.
So
to
when
hear
you
how
do
guys
that, so when you said you bought a call and you sold the call.
Yeah. So
So do you have to have the 100 under? Because I've never done that part. I've always just bought either a call or a put, never sold anything. Do you have to have the underlying options to sell the shares to sell that?
if you're just selling the share or selling the call, yes, but or else it's considered a naked call,
Yep.
and you risk a big downside. So the way I did it, people call it a poor man's covered call. What it is I buy a strike at one level, and then several levels above I'll sell, because I take the credit or the premium from that level, which is less than here. So my options that I did today, I owed $115 or $1.15 for those options, versus if I were just picking up that call for 200 and whatever dollars. So it saved me a couple $100 on downside, but it also limited my upside potential, because if it went above my sell, I was capped out at that point. But I'm looking for 30+% on a move, and that's where I put my sell limit at, was 30% on my thing. So I closed out.
Man, we're gonna talk about that because I like that concept. Limit your risk, maximize your profits.
Yep.
I like that. So we're gonna have to talk about that, especially now with this market. I'm gonna start looking into buying, I don't know, a year out, a year and a half out options on the indices, because these dumps like tomorrow morning, these options are gonna be so cheap, right? So I'm gonna start looking into that starting tomorrow. See if we can pick some things up and just let it ride. Turn $100 into $80,000 and go on vacation. So, but all right, man, I got nothing else for tonight. It's been a great week. Thank you everybody for hanging out. If you want to also learn about options, that's coming as well. Be able, you just heard Savage explain it. The poor man's covered call.
Poor man's covered call.
So we'll be able to help you guys out on that. Stay blessed. Stay solid. Spend some time with your family this weekend. It's the only thing we have on this earth is our family. Love on somebody. Call somebody. Tell them you love them. Tell them that God loves them. Have a blessed and amazing weekend. Savage, you got any words of encouragement for?
Words of wisdom, trade what you see, go for.
Come on. He's going to run out of these. ChatGPT going to have to help him out. But guys, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys hanging out. We appreciate the support. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like and subscribe. If you want to hang out for the 100-point snipes every single night on NQ, come holler at us. So, all right, let me give us the little outro, and you got.
Late night. Edge of session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase.